Good evening. This is EGS News Tonight. I'm Aaron. Tonight, we take a closer look at the situation of women in the workforce, their struggles, contributions, and the laws that protects their rights. Despite progress, many women still face challenges such as wage gaps, multiple works, burdens, and limited job opportunities. Let's go to our field reporter, Elia, for more details. Elia?
Thank you, Aaron. Across the country, women play a role in both paid work and unpaid care, work at home. Many women balance career while managing household duties, childcare, and family responsibilities. This is commonly known as the multiple burden of women. However, many women still experience workplace discrimination, lack of support, facilities like daycare, and risks such as harassment and job insecurity, especially in informal sectors and domestic work. Today, we spoke with a woman who personally experienced these challenges. Let's hear her story.
As a working mother, I wake up early to prepare food for my family before going to work. After work, I still need to clean the house, help my children with school, and take care of my elderly parents. Sometimes, it feels very tiring because even if I work full-time, I still carry most responsibilities at home. At work, there were times I felt I was paid less compared to male workers doing the same job. But I continue working because I want to support my family and give my children a better future.
Thank you for sharing your experience. To help protect women workers, the government has implemented several laws ensuring safe working conditions, fair wages, and protection from harassment. To explain more about these protections, we now turn to our guest authority, Mr. Lonito.
Thank you. Women have the right to dictate workplace, mainly fair salaries, safety, workplace, and equal opportunities. There are also policy support, military, paternity leave, and protection for domestic workers and migrant workers. However, enforcement and awareness remain important. We encourage women to know their rights that support workplace relation. We also encourage employees to create gender-friendly workplace that support both women and men equality.
Thank you, Sir Lonito. Women continue to be vital contributors to the economy, whether through paid jobs or unpaid care work. Supporting women in the workforce helps strengthen families, communities, and nation. Back to you, Aaron.
Thank you, Elia. Women's participation in work remains essential to national development. Ensuring equal opportunities and safe working environment helps build a stronger society for everyone. That's the latest on the women work in the country. I'm Aaron. Thank you for watching EGS News Tonight. Stay safe and have a good evening.